Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about dates in JavaScript. So in JavaScript we use the JavaScript date object to work with the date. Like an example, we can create one new date object. So this is the browser's time zone, and one thing you notice, if we call this again, so we are getting one new time. So the object does not have one running clock, rather it is accessing the system clock for the time. So every time we call that, we got one new time. Now let's see what are the different ways we can create dates in JavaScript. So there are several different constructors that we can use to create one date object. So first of all, we have the simplest one that we have just used. Here we just write new date without any argument and we create one new date. And also we can create one date object by passing the milliseconds. So this is the Unix Epoch. So this is basically the number of seconds that elapsed from January 1st, 1970. So we can pass the seconds to create one date object. And also we have several different constructors that we can use. We can pass the date string. For that we can use the year and month. We can even pass year, month and day. And also we can pass hours, minutes, seconds, and also we can pass the milliseconds. So let's see few of the important one of them. So that this is the simplest way we can create one object, and also we can create one object by passing in the string parameter. Like an example, we can write new date, and here inside we can pass the year and the month and the day, and you can see we have the date printed. And also we can pass in the milliseconds, and you can see after passing the milliseconds we have the date printed. So this is the 2nd January 1970. And let's now see what are the different ways we can display the date. So the simplest way we can do this is by using the toString method. So the toString method will convert our date to a string, and this is the default method. And also we can use several formats. Like an example, we can use toDateString, and you can see we have this date string format. And also we can use the UTC format. So we have to use the toUTCString method and we'll get the UTC format. Similarly, also we can get the ISO format by using the toISOString method. And you can see we have the ISO format of the date. So this is the way we can use the different methods to display the date, and we can use different constructor to create our date object. So hope you understand about the concept of dates in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.